Hello dear students, open your textbook page number 175. So in last video we have learnt about types of force. So today we are going to see the simple machines. Okay, simple machines. We say that work is done when objects are made to move using some force. When we say to work is done when objects made to move using some force. A machine is a tool used to make our work easier, but to do work easier we are using machine, because machines are making our work very easier. It reduces the amount of force used to do work. So means machine is reducing the amount of force that we used to do work. Simple machines. Simple machines are simple tools. There are different types of simple machines: lever, pulley, wheel and axle, inclined plane, screw and widgets. These are the some names of or some examples of simple machine. Let's see about these examples of simple machines in detail. So student, turn your page. So student, these simple machines we are also using in our everyday life. First is a lever. See, look at this picture. Lever is used to lift a heavy load. A lever is made up of a straight bar that can turn on a fixed point known as a fulcrum. So this lever is made up of a straight iron bar. Okay, straight iron bar, and that is on fixed point, and it's known as a fulcrum. All levers have two parts, the bar and the fulcrum. So this lever have two parts like this way. Lever have two parts like this way. I think lever have two parts. This is a fixed bar, the bar. This is a bar and this is a fulcrum. Okay. Force is applied on the end of the lever to move the object that is at the other end. So we are applying force on this end of the lever. Okay, we are applying force here. We are applying here force at the end of the lever. The force applied is called effort. The object at the other end is called load, and here we are placing a load and we are applying force on the end of the lever. So like this way we are using lever to lift any heavy load. Lever is used for the following purposes: to move or lift heavy objects, to cut things, to open lids. See, are you drinking that Pepsi or Coca-Cola? That if that Pepsi means Pepsis are in a glass bottle. So on the glass bottle also they are having to open the lid of the glass bottle we are using some lever like this way. Having lever, correct? In Marathi we say, I don't know the word. See, this is called a lever. Okay, opener. Okay, see, we are using opener. Okay, opener to open the lids of the glass bottle. Okay, jam bottle or your sauce bottle. So this is a example of lever. Opener is also example of lever. Okay, so opener is also one type of a simple machine that we are using to do work. Okay, so example: scissors, hammer and bottle opener. Second is pulley. Okay, look at this picture. Pulley means to pull anything or pull any object. A pulley is made up of a wheel with a rope or a chain running around it. So this pulley is made up of a wheel and the chain. Okay, and they are running around it. A pulley is used to lift or lower heavy objects. This pulley is used to lift or lower heavy objects. Water from a well is drawn using a pulley. So this pulley is also using the water from the well. The bucket is attached to the one end of the rope. तो यहाँ पे देखो bucket यहाँ पे attach की है. Effort is applied at the other end of to pull up the bucket. So this lady she is applying effort or her force on this rope, and because of this force the bucket can easily drop the water from the or drawn the water from the well. So this is also one type of a simple machine. Pulleys are used in large factories to make machines work without using a lot of energy. Flags are hoisted on a flagpole with the help of pulley. See, in the building works, they are also using some pulleys to pull the heavy load from the downside of the building. Okay, so pulley. So lift, we are using lift. Lift. Some buildings they are also having the lift. So lift is also a good example of a pulley. Lift also pulling the heavy load from down to from bottom to the up, or from down to the up. Okay, so pulley is also one type of a simple machine. Second, wheel and axle. All of you know, I think you saw this in the gym also. Wheel and axle. Wheel and axle is made up of a wheel connected to a rod known as the axle. So wheel and axle is made up of a wheel. These are connected to the rod known as the axle. These are the wheel and this is the axle. Okay, AXLE, axle. When the axle is turned, it makes the wheels move. When this axle is turned, and that same time wheels also move. The steering wheel in a car is attached to the axle of the front wheels. Bicycle and scooters also use wheel and axle. So these wheels and axle are using in the scooter and bicycle. Egg beaters and sewing machines have a wheel and axle. Sewing machine, all of you know, na? Sewing machine, they are also having wheel and axle. Windmills and ceiling fans use wheel and axle. Windmills and ceilings, they are also having wheel and axle. Why? Because to move the object. Wheels with the teeth are used to increase or decrease the speed of machines. Such tooth wheels are called gears. Okay, so wheel and axle is also one type of simple machine. Next is the inclined plane. An inclined plane means like this way, inclined plane. Okay, see, have you seen this inclined plane at in our school? They're having, you are running from this inclined plane. See, here having some steps in our school, and they are having one inclined plane. So in front area of our school, they are having inclined plane. Okay, and you are all running from this inclined plane. So an inclined plane is made up of a flat sloping surface that is placed at angle to a horizontal surface. An inclined plane makes it easy to move a heavy object by pushing it up or down the slope. It reduces the amount of force needed to lift the object. See, this is called inclined plane, and because of this inclined plane we can easily push heavy load into our home or into the any vehicle. Okay, so this inclined plane is mostly using in a transportation. So because in transportation they are having some heavy loads, and with the use of this inclined plane, the person can easily push the heavy loads or heavy transport items in the vehicle. Okay, it reduces the amount of force needed to lift the object. Heavy cartons or barrels are loaded onto trucks using an inclined plane. So that heavy cartons and barrels are also loaded in the truck using inclined plane. A ramp is an inclined plane with a gentle slope. So this is a ramp or inclined plane. It is a good example of inclined plane. In places such as hospital, ramps are used for the following purposes. In some hospital they are also having a ramp. Why they having a ramp? Because as an alternative to a staircase, or when the lifts fails to work, as a slope along which stretchers and wheelchairs can be pushed. Why the hospitals having ramp? So because to stretches or to push the stretches or the wheelchairs, they are having some ramps. In our school also they are having a ramp or an inclined plane. So it is also a one type of simple machine. Then next is the screw. All of you know screw. Screw is also simple machine. A screw is made up of an inclined plane wrapped around a cylindrical in the form of a spiral. See, is cylindrical and they are having some spiral. A screw has a groove or thread cut into surface. See, this is called groove or a thread and they are cutting into the surface. There is a provision at one end to turn the screw. See, they are having some provision and easily screw turn into the into any object. Screws are turned with the help of a screwdriver and we are adjusting the screw with the help of screwdriver. A screw is used to hold objects together tightly. The jack used for lifting vehicles is an example of screw. Okay. Last simple machine is a wedge. A wedge is made up of two inclined planes which meet at a sharp edge. This sharp edge is used to cut objects or force a surface apart. So this is a this is an example of wedge. Wedge is also inclined plane. Wedge also having two inclined planes. And we are calling it kuladi in Hindi, and which meet at a sharp edge. This sharp edge is used to cut objects or force a surface apart. For example, knife. We are using, a knife also having two inclined planes. Both two inclined planes, and knife is also we are using to cut any object. For example of wedges are axe, knife and a razor blade. Blade is also an example of wedge. A woodcutter uses an axe to cut trees. Correct? So what are the example of wedges? Axe, knife and razor blade. So student, this is also one type of simple machine. So student, next see, choose the correct answer. A dash is an example of lever. So what is the example of an lever? Can you tell me? Hammer. Hammer is an example of a lever. Okay. Then dash is used to lift heavy objects. Dash is used to lift the heavy objects. Then inclined plane is used to lift the heavy objects. Ceiling fan use a dash, wheel and axle. A dash consists of an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder. Dash consists of an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder. What is the answer? Answer is wedges. Okay, so students, turn the page. So in this chapter, we have learnt about force. They are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 types of force. First is mechanical force, gravity, friction, magnetic force, muscular force and electrostatic force. Then we have learnt about simple machines: lever, pulley, wheel and axle, inclined plane, screw and edges. So student, here we have completed our chapter number 3, force and work. So student, try to solve exercise question number 1, 2. Okay, and I will give you question number 3. So student, read the chapter again and complete your homework. Thank you students.